Hi, I'm Phoebe Chung-Chua, multimedia journalist, founder of LiveFit Films, a brand journalism agency, the PCIN Internet Network TV, and its online video publications. I've been on the air reporting TV news stories for nearly 20 years. Today, my brand journalism company can help accelerate your company's sales or products and services with video news stories. It's the style of reporting that makes the story credible. I founded LiveFit Films to do that, to help companies tell their newsworthy story. Find the angle, share the story, create interest, gain exposure. That's news, and that's valuable marketing. At LiveFit Films, we produce video news stories and documentaries about your company's product or service. We offer superior quality with affordable packages to suit your budget. Here's how we do it. We consult with your company and find the news hook. Then we research, interview, and write the story that you want consumers to hear. We shoot video in HD, edit, and produce your video news story formatted for the web, TV, or both. Your video can include a news article and photos in a sidebar story in one of our online publications. Using powerful distribution platforms, we can get your video news story to your targeted audience around the world. We also integrate quick response barcodes like this one. Consumers with smartphones can scan it and link directly to your video or website. Let veteran TV news journalists from LiveFit Films tell your story. Give us a call, 858-259-3646, or visit us online at livefitfilms.com and pcin.tv, and we'll see you on the air.